Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to have an unboxing. This is Belle Tress, brand new from the Luxe collection. This is Mara. The color is Pumpkin Pie Spice R. Now I have reviewed this color before, but I have not seen this wig, so I'm looking forward to unboxing it with you. I purchased this wig from Wig Studio One. I'm wearing my Belle Tress Peppermint in Sumptuous Strawberry. All right, let's unbox it. See what we have here. I know the color is going to be beautiful, of course. All right. Let's see what we got here. They always have this little packing straw in there. And, okay. Pumpkin Pie Spice R. Beautiful color. Let's have a look at the cap. This Luxe collection has beautiful hand-tied caps, don't they? All right, now it has this lace front that extends all the way down past the ear tabs with the silicone on the ear tabs there. Look at that. Large mono top. What I like about this also is there's no seam across that mono top. I like that. I think it just gives it such a nice flow there, but it has this really nice lace front, like I said, that extends all the way past the ear tabs. Hand-tied cap, gorgeous. Now it has this little, that's not really a large extended nape, but it's just a small extended nape, and that's like a lace material there. And it has pull adjusters. But that cap is gorgeous, as always. All right, let's try it on, see how it fits. Let me just give you another look at this color. All right, again, this is Belle Tress Peppermint in Sumptuous Strawberry, and these colors are very similar. Just give you a look at that. Okay, let's try it on. While I have it off, I'm going to show you Sumptuous Strawberry and the Pumpkin Pie Spice R. So pretty. Both gorgeous reds. All right. First of all, this is large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I'm going to pull it in a little because I'm afraid I won't be able to work with it. So I'm just going to pull these ear tabs in just a little bit on both sides. Show you what I did there, just to make it a little smaller. Yeah, that's better. Like I said, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this fits me large. All right, beautiful shape. Let's take out this crisscross part. Just going to take it out a little bit, run a wide tooth comb through it. That's normally how I do mine. And it's parted on the side. Now, of course, you can move that part anywhere within this mono feature. Let you have a look at this lace front. Really well done. Look how pretty that is. There's my bio hair, so it has good coverage on both sides. No permatease here, of course. It's a hand-tied, fully hand-tied cap. So there's no permatease at all. It's kind of this asymmetrical bob. Just want to brush through it just a little. A lot of movement here. Wow, this color. Belle Tress just makes these beautiful, beautiful red shades. They really do. Now first I'm just going to spray it with a little water because that's just how I do. You don't have to. I just like to see what I'm working with here. I want to mess the fibers up, pull them away from the cap, get as much movement as I can. I kind of can see that when I put a little water on it. That what I need to do. Now, You might find that this falls in your face a little. Not too bad. Now I pulled that down like that, but you could see how it came when I took it out of the box. So if you needed to steam it, you could. You could put some hairspray in it just as a temporary fix if you wanted to, but it has this long sweeping bang. Let's see now. Got a little knot there. See, I want to take that out gently with my little wide tooth comb. All right, now the sides are 10 on this one. The nape is 3.5. Has an overall length, they say, of 10.5. Weighs 3.1 ounces. Really low density style here. It's kind of pretty how it just kind of flows back off your face here. And then, like I said, it's down a little longer in the front. Face framing layers. Yeah, that's pretty. All right, let's dive into this color. This is available in 12 shades. Pumpkin Pie Spice R. So like I said, it's very, very similar to Sumptuous Strawberry. Again, just kind of give you that look. This is 27, 130, 613, 8. So it has a root of 8, as you can see. It is beautiful. It has this medium strawberry blonde, copper red. It's got these different shades of blonde. It has honey blonde, kind of a vanilla blonde highlight. So you get these different shades of blonde highlights on this 8 root. Wow, like I said, Belle Tress just knows how to do these red shades. Let's look at it in some outdoor lighting.